everybody, I'm Jamie, and that is Ross from Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making this week, Ross?
Today we're going to make the Negroni. The Negroni. The Negroni is named after Count Negroni from Italy. Back in 1919 or 1920, as the story goes, he was at his favorite watering hole in Florence, and he asked the bartender to make him something that was like an Americano, but with a bit more kick. So an Americano has two of these ingredients, and the Negroni has the gin to give it some kick. So what are the ingredients here, Jamie, as far as amounts and stuff?
We're going to start off with 1 ounce of Campari. Campari is actually an ingredient that we have not used yet. We're going to do a couple more cocktails with it here in the next couple weeks. But it is an orange-based liqueur that also has some bitters added to it, and it is a little bitter. So we're going to do 1 ounce of Campari, 1 ounce of gin.
1 ounce of gin. Oh, I was going with the other ingredient first. Probably good.
And 1 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. So 111 was your total.
Now this is definitely going to be a sipper. It's just booze, booze, and booze.
So you can make this in a shaker, shake it, strain it onto ice. You can. I just made mine in my glass. Put a bunch of ice in there.
I'm going to add a little bit of
around.
Orange peel in mine. Stir around a bit. Drop in the garnish. Okay, let's give this a shot. The Negroni.
Negroni.
That is the oddest flavor.
Yeah,
not bad. It's just it is very bitter. When we looked up the recipe, that's one of the things they said. They said it was dry, bitter, and tasty. I was surprised that all three of those were in the same sentence, but that's what it was. And it's true, it is dry, and it is bitter.
Yeah.
But it is tasty. I don't know that I would drink a lot of these, though.
I don't know if I would either. I know a lot of people do, but I think it's kind of growing on me, actually.
If you're looking at just sort of a booze drink, an old-fashioned, I think, is a better drink than this.
It's not bad.
You know, like if you're not looking for a non-mixed cocktail, I would say go with an old-fashioned rather than this. But there's the Negroni.
Negroni. Try it out. Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.